Hey guys, and welcome back to the Money Game with AC. Yeah, 7.5% on the day, man. To start off the week, this is amazing. And most interestingly, guys, after hours, still up way above 1%. This is amazingly good, okay? In this video, I want to quickly cover one thing. It seems like on top of the banks, we do have now the biggest money managers, the biggest fund management companies doubling down on AMC. I'm going to tell you exactly why it's good, and let's get into it, guys. So first of all, short interest up 31%. Seems like it doesn't matter how the price of this thing goes up, man. The hedges are not just letting this thing go, okay? But on the other hand, I was expecting it when you jump on Fintel under the institutional ownership. Guys, there is a lot more things going on here than the whole share price movement, okay? So first of all, this is filing that we did receive today, okay? So Susquehanna International Group, just 4 million shares. They increased, okay? They increased the value because they were already initially into AMC, okay? Now, if you scroll down, you will see a lot of other plays, a lot of other, capital firms buying. But what is really interesting is the names, okay? The names that are buying. Price Hero, another big investment company when it comes to mutual fund management in the US, okay? You go down, then you have State Street, another big guy into investment management in the US and around the globe, okay? 6.5 million shares, they increased as well. They were already into AMC. Now you go down a little bit and then you get to these guys. Janus Henderson, okay? Not holding a lot more, but also big name. And then Nuven Asset Management, another big name, increased as well, but now up to 1.7 million shares. And then Invesco, big trillion-dollar company in the investment industry, okay? I mean, present in all the continents around the globe. 6.6 million shares. That's an increase of 5,000%. Guys, don't you see what is happening? Don't you see what is going around behind the scenes? And then Morgan Stanley. If you don't know who Morgan Stanley is, this is one of the top banks in the US, adding to the other names I mentioned earlier. And then Royal Bank of Canada, all of these guys, man, this is, again, the confirmation that there is a lot more attention around AMC stock as a business, as an investment, because not only they did a pretty good job at raising cash in order to get out of the whole bankruptcy weed and make sure that the company is way above, just surviving for 2021. Now, as we get into 2022, and so moving into the end of this year with all the new, bangers in terms of movies that are gonna come out, guys, this thing's gonna fly. I mean, if the short squeeze hasn't happened yet, at that point in time, definitely expect this to be way higher than what analysts are even throwing out there on their research. Just because, again, guys, these guys with the big money, they do not jump in to get pennies. They get in to get real bucks. I mean, just do your own research, guys. Just do your own research. All the names I mentioned, Invesco, Navin Asset Management, T. Charles Schwab, all of these guys are big names in the investment funds. And I wouldn't be surprised if at the end of this week, we hit a new all-time high. Just say.